Hey guys, welcome to the second day of the 12 Days at Disney World series. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day today, and let's get started with today's vlog. I'm actually going to be showing you guys the queue and the actual ride itself. Alright guys, here we go. Here's the entrance to the actual ride. And over there you can see, there's actually some people over there riding. I've actually been on this like twice in the many times I've been to Disney World. But I'm gonna cut to the chase here. I'm gonna cut this clip and move on to the inside of the queue. Now you guys are entering into the queue right now. So this is what it looks like inside the queue. This is the outside portion of the queue still. We're gonna be moving into the inside of the queue in a minute here. But as you can see right there guys, there's a little mini game right there that you can play. Well yeah guys, the line here is usually very long. Chances are it's gonna be very long when I get on it, the line. But there's like 3 mini games over there. The 3 are the same, cause like the line gets really long there, so that's why they have 3 mini games set up there. And that's where we're gonna be heading into in a minute. That's the vault. And then over here we have a note from Doc. One of the doors there. And there's the minigame itself. So the minigame itself is actually right over there. I'm trying to focus. There we go. Oh no, never mind guys, I think they have 4. Alright guys, so here is the inside of the actual queue itself. As you can see, you can spin these bowls, these barrels of jewelry, the diamonds here and stuff. So that's what the queue inside looks like. And then the actual ride, the actual carts are over there. You can see that there's people boarding now. And now we keep moving on to some more barrels of diamonds in here. And I'm going to be looking something like that. And if you look on top, you can if you look on top and you spin the barrels, you'll see the doors over there. Alright guys, now we are going to skip into the actual part of the ride. Oh my gosh, guys, I remember how fast this was going when I went on it. The 2 times I was at Disney World. This ride goes so fast. And probably one of my most favorite parts in the ride is the mine scene right here. It's my second time commentating on the ride as well. I hope I'll get better at these commentaries though. Oh my gosh, guys. This in the video right now, it may not seem like it's going really high, but this part of the actual ride is very high. It's actually escalating very high. I remember I was like, guys, I remember on this ride, I was like, this is higher than I saw in the video. So anyway, you go down this little hill, and then you push down all the way on the big hill. And you got a good view of the park. And this actually lifts you off of your seat a little bit through experience that I've been to in this ride. Yeah, forgive me if the sound is quiet. I don't know if the person who filmed this originally was having a quieter camera quality, but... yeah, here's the end of the ride. You get a little scene from Snow White where she's dancing with the dwarves. Credit goes to Theme Park HD, by the way. Thanks for making this video so I can make this vlog. Here is actually a nighttime view of the ride. Now, what are my opinions on the ride? I think that it's a very fun ride, I definitely recommend it, and I cannot wait to go on that ride again. What is your opinion on the ride, guys? Let me know in the comment section down below. That's gonna do it for day 2. If you guys enjoyed, leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you all a little later.